What's up, Panda Nation? Peter from Panda here. You know what I love about fall is fall camping season is the best time to go camping. And so I picked up this BULIN cooking set. It's the BL200C8. And as you can see here, we have a lot of stuff in it. So I thought I would just unbox it here and show you what it includes. First of all, you can see, comes in a nice handy nylon travel pouch. In fact, it's got two handles on it, attractive blue and black. And there it is, the BULIN logo right on it. So let's just go ahead and unzip this little bad boy. I do like the fact that the zippers go all the way down, so you have no trouble kind of loading everything back into the package. I'm just going to set this off to the side here. Obviously everything comes wrapped up and sealed up in plastic for good quality protection. And there you have it. Here is the whole canister, and again, it's smaller than a bowling ball in size, obviously quite a bit lighter. What we can see here is you have metal construction. The handle here, this little tri-lobed handle, is plastic, and you know, it's all stamped sheet metal. Very deep lip, kind of a gunmetal color. And then inside we have, probably the hardest thing about this is just kind of remembering how to nest everything. Another lid here, just a little smaller than the other. And we have another lid, even smaller than that. We have, looks like 4 cups here, which have the little thumb handles on them, so you can drink, eat soup out of it. Then we have a kettle. And here again, you know, nice light construction on everything. Little tea kettle with a spout there. Handle with a plastic handle and finger grooves on it. Pretty nice there. And inside we have all of our accessories. So I'm just going to pull these out here and let's see, everything out without manhandling and breaking it. There we go. Got everything out. So I'm just going to put the tea kettle aside here and see what we get. So what we get is a Brillo pad. So we have one of those. We have a ladle, which I really love. These things they're plastic, and you can see here that you just squeeze together the metal there, and it opens up like this, and now you can either use it as a spoon or a ladle. So pretty cool. You squeeze these to get them back folded down, so they take up no room at all. And then you have a spatula. It's kind of like a spatula you would use for a rice cooker, a little small, little textured top there. And then inside we have the bottom portions that match those lids. A pot, the smallest pot, with fold-out handles here. And you can see plastic on those handles, so you don't have to worry about getting burned. We have the larger pot, not pot smoking, cooking pots. Oh, this nests in here really tight because of this fabric. And again, I'd even call this either a large pot or a, well, I just call it a large pot, I guess. I was also going to say like large enough to clean in, or a basin or something like that. So obviously pretty big. And then you have a frying pan, which a lot of times I will use these just to eat straight out of, because they're kind of like a plate. So you can see, nice big frying pan. All right, so there you saw everything that comes in it. And I'm just going to quick reverse all of this for you. So you get the plate, the big pot, the small pot, the tea kettle right here. And then the tea kettle top is going to fit right on there. I like how there's a little vent hole as well. I'm going to push that handle down. And then you put the smaller lid, which goes to this, or the smaller lid, which fits the smaller pot, and then the big pot here, which fits, or the big lid that fits the big pot. And all this goes back into your knee travel case. And there's plenty of room in here, I would say, for extra Brillo pads, some biodegradable soap, whatever you need. See how much extra space there is. Pretty cool. So that's it. The BULIN cooking kit. I'm definitely going to use it here. But if you want to pick one up, I will put a link to it in the description. Peter from Panda out.